write it down yes in the chat box. If my voice and board both is okay, then please write it down yes in the chat box.
Ma'am, from when I joined, your voice was not coming properly. So
just write it down.
Ma'am, so that recording I have cancelled and I've started the recording again now.
Okay, better write down yes. Record from here now. Okay, start recording this. Okay, so this was question number 16. I have yes. Any written yes, it means my voice and audio now. I have connected with the school Wi-Fi because here the network problem is too much in school. So I have connected with the school Wi-Fi and then I will come. I am teaching now. So now moving on to
Ma'am, you are not audible.
I have called to Subhash sir, he will see the matter now. Yes, look at here. We were discussing about the last question. In that, here it was telling here that the age of father to the age of son when father was 30. So if you remember when father,
Ma'am, 12 years back.
Yes, फादर की एज 30 तब होगी जब हम लोग 12 इयर्स बैक पे जाएंगे, है ना, बिकॉज फादर अभी 42 के हैं, तो यहाँ पर इट इज 12 इयर्स बैक. सो व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट सन वुड आल्सो बी 12 इयर्स बैक. इट मींस आज अगर सन 14 का है तो 12 इयर्स बैक जब आप जाओगे इट मींस सन जो है वो 2 इयर्स का रहा होगा उस टाइम पे, है ना. सन जो है वो किस एज का रहा होगा, 2 इयर्स का. So it means when you talk about 2 years, now you have to take it out the ratio. So it would be 30:2. That is 30/2. So 30/2, when you will solve it, it will give us 1 and this is 15. Answer would be 15:1. This is all finished now. Okay, this is all done. Question number 16 is finished. Okay, understood till here? Till here understood,
yes,
beta? Should we continue the next topic now? Okay. So now before I proceed with the next question, I just want to give you 1 or 2 questions. Solve this and then we will continue with the next topic, that is proportion. Just give me 1 minute.
Excuse me, ma'am, can you send the screenshot of today's?
बेटा आई सेंड डेली ना, आपको पता है ना ये बात कि आई सेंड डेली. ऋषित, चलो look at
Yes, ma'am.
Find the ratio of, now all of you do this one, 1.5 kilometer to 300 meter. This you have to find it out ratio. 2 century to 3 decade. 3 scores to 2 dozen. 1 2 hours to 30 minutes. Now start solving this question and let me know what answer do you get in these all cases. Anika, you can pause the recording, beta. Anika, you can pause the recording in that case. Recording, beta. Start the recording again now. Okay. So if this is 1.5 kilometers, so 1.5 kilometer means 1500 meters, and this is 300 meters. So when you will take it out ratio of this one, you will get it 1500 upon 300. 2020 will cancel, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So the first answer would be 5:1. Okay, the first one. Now 2 century, 3 decades. 1 century means 100 years. So when you talk about 2 century, you will always have 200 years. Okay? It will give us 200 years. And this is 3 decades. 3 decade. 1 decade में 10 years होते हैं ना? 1 decade में 10 years होते हैं. So total would be 30 years. Yes. So when you will solve this one, second one, it would give you 200 upon 30. 0 0 will be cancelled, and the answer would be 20:3. This is second one. Now moving on to third one. 3 is 4 to 2 dozen. The same thing. 1 is 4 में 20. 1 is 4 में 20 मतलब 3 is 4 में
60.
3 into 20 मतलब 60. 60. And here 2 dozen. 1 dozen में 12 मतलब 2 dozen में 2 into 12, that is 24. So when you will solve C1, you will get it 60 upon 24. And both will cancel by 12 only. The 12 twos are and 12 fives are. So answer would be 5:2. This is for the second question. Sorry, third question now. Now moving on to the last question. Last question says 2 hours 30 minutes. So 1 hour में 60 minutes. So 2 hour में कितने मिनट हो जाएंगे? 120 minutes. And this is 30 minutes. So when you will solve it, it will give us 120 upon 30. 0 0 cancel. It will give us 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. The answer would be 4:1. So this is option D and this is option C. Now tell me, is it okay? Is it understood, beta? Now Anika,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can stop recording.
Very good.